Price extensions are a great way to showcase your product prices on your Google Ads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Ads price extension. Hello, thanks for joining in. My name is Ozair, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your price extensions for your Google Ads campaigns. Price extensions are a simple and highly effective way of showcasing your pricing on your Google Ads. So if somebody is looking for a product or service, they can potentially see how much your prices are, and if they like what they see, they potentially may click on the ad and come through to your website. And if they can't afford your pricing, then you may avoid that click, which is fine because you are not driving traffic to your or visitors to your website who may not be able to afford your product or service. So I'm going to go into the Google Ads Help Center first. We'll see what this is all about, and then we'll hop into the Google Ads account and I'll show you how to set them up. So price extensions can add more value to your search network ads, so they only show up on the search network and not on any other networks, by giving you a bigger showcase for your services and a range of products, and by linking people directly to what interests them on your site. The price extensions appear below your text ad on desktop and mobile and give you more space to tell people details about your what your business offers. So it makes your ads a bit bigger. And extensions, as you may have learned, it is Google's best practice. You use as many extensions as possible for your ads to make them as big as possible. So they may show up to 8 price extensions or cards that people can view to see different options and prices. So there's quite a few if you think about it. Okay, a couple of things before you begin. May show on both computers and mobile devices. Price extensions link directly to your site, so it's important to make sure your site is optimized for computers and all mobile devices. That doesn't need to be emphasized enough, because it, especially with mobile devices, your website needs to be lightning fast. There's some more bits and bobs in here that they can be easily updated. They're fairly customizable and flexible, and the billing is just the cost of a click, so it does not cost you anything extra to set up your price extension, and gives people more opportunities to click, but you won't be charged for more than 2 clicks per impression if they choose to do that. Plus, if someone quickly clicks on more than one link while viewing an ad, this may get treated as a duplicate or invalid click. So the system will automatically refund that money for you. Okay, let's go into our Google Ads account, and I'm going to go back, go to your ads and extensions, and then extensions +, price extension. Now you can set it up at account, campaign, or ad group level. If your website or your campaigns are fairly straightforward, I would just put it up at an account level. We're going to create a new one. You choose your language, then you have various options under type. If you're not sure, you can hover over this question marks bubble, and it's going to tell you what it is. The type of price extension you choose determines what example ads you'll see. If you're selling brands like iPhone, Samsung, you can put up a brand one. If you're selling tickets for an event, I'm not too sure about locations and neighborhoods as to what that is, but you can put up product categories, tiers, service catalogs, or categories or tiers, or just services. So let's go with services, and I would say Google Ads Management, right? You can put in your price. You can put in, I'm just gonna put in a number. It does not reflect anything. Now you can have no units per hour, day, week, month, per night. I'm gonna put in no units. Then you put in your description. This get a positive ROI for your, okay, it's only 25 characters. So now I've gone over the 25 characters and this has turned into red. So that's fine. Put in my website. If you got a different mobile URL, then you put them in, and now you can see how big your ad is looking. So this is your headline 1, 2, or maybe 3 if they're showing it, your description 1 or 2, and then these boxes with the prices. So if you got a call out, call extension, price extensions showing up, your ad is going to look really good and really big. Then I can put in business headshots, which we offer. Again, I'm just going to put in a unit price. So now I'm pre-qualifying my audience. This is really important, because if my fees start at 1,000 and someone can't afford my fees, they're highly unlikely to click on it. So you will get different opinions from different people. Should you or should you not put in the prices on your website as well as on these ads? For me, price factor is one of the most important reasons why somebody will and will not click. If somebody can afford to afford your services or products and they like what they see on the ad, they are going to click. If they can't afford your product or services, we don't want them to click, because it'll be a wasted click. They'll come to the website and then they're going to bounce off unconverted. And then the same thing, you'll just keep on adding a few more, and Google is then going to decide how many they are going to show up. Over here we don't have much control over it. If I go onto the desktop version over here, this is how it's going to show up on a desktop. So once I put in all these extension items, then you have got a couple of other options. URL options for tracking, template is for advanced tracking. Don't need to worry too much about it if yours is fairly straightforward. You can have a start or end date if you want to promote a special offer for Christmas or Valentine's or any other special occasion, then you can do so, and put an end date over here so you don't forget to switch it off, and its system is going to automatically stop showing those extensions. You can also put in the days and the hours as to when or not you want to show your price extensions. And once you hit the save button, obviously I haven't put these in over here, I'm going to delete that. It's saying here you need to have at least 3 price extensions, but once you hit save, it will save the extension, and then Google is going to review it, approve it or disapprove it, and then it's going to start showing on your ads. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, then please do so and hit the bell button, because we go live on YouTube every weekday and also upload videos like this one on a fairly regular basis, and you'll be one of the first ones to be notified when we do so. So I thank you for your time, appreciate it very much, and I look forward to seeing you sometime very soon. Bye for now.